Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Sometimes it might be 6. We're not talking about anything over 6. Sometimes it's like 4. So I think that's my record. It wasn't like 4:30 my record one time, Kenny. I think it was about my record. So we just finished taping all day. We've been taping all day. And I kind of leave this one for the last one because I got to like get my adrenaline going and I got to get my diet. Luckily, I still have Diet Coke left. But I think I'm ready. And Ken assures me he's going to have the timer ready because, as you know, sometimes that is our biggest issue. Just saying. Right, Ken? Yeah, he's shaking his head. One time I'm going to make you do one of these videos. What do I have to do to get you to do one of these videos?
Pay me more.
Pay you more? Did you hear him say it? He said pay you more. Pay you more? Are you kidding? I finally got my first paycheck, by the way, this year, just so you guys all know. Okay, because usually he pays me in food, which he did buy me a wedge salad today from Sprouts, which was very kind, and I do appreciate that. I just haven't gone to eat it yet. Okay, Kenneth, are you ready, baby? Okay, so I just grabbed some paper. I just finished taping the Kit Club video. And so I just left the extra paper here that was from that. And then I have the paper pad that was from the kit. So that's probably what I'm going to end up using. We also just recently released this die set, the Teapot Fold It. And I'm thinking I'm going to use that because my mom, I have to make my mom one of these. She hasn't seen this yet. And when she sees that, she's going to fall over. And everybody, if you ever meet my mom, tell her I made that for her, okay? Because she's a big tea person. Okay, Kenny, are you ready? You know what? In fact, we should give one of these to Mom for Christmas. So Christmas is in 3 days, so we're gonna give it. But you guys, it's past Christmas now by the time you see this. Okay, so let's give that to Mom for Christmas. The teapot one. She'd like that. I know, well, she might not use it, but she'll hang it up and say that I made it for her. Okay. Like I pretend I'm cracking my knuckles. I'm not. Okay, Kenneth, are you ready? How come you're gonna be over there? Usually you're over there when you tape. You're gonna be over there, really? It's gonna freak me out if you're over there and then I yell at you and you don't stop the time. You're gonna get it, okay. Now, if you don't stop the time when I say stop the time, there has to be a consequence. Like, what should the consequence be? Like, we eat at Olive Garden an extra night this week or something? Is that good?
Sure.
Okay, he said yes. Okay, so. Okay, Kenneth, are you ready? Get set, start the time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, oh, I want ivory. So I'm gonna grab ivory and I'm gonna fold this in half. Ugh, fold it in half and get my bone folder and fold this better. Okay, grab this and we got to get our die. So I'm going to do this up at the top. I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to run this through. Make sure this is whoa. Is it still on there? Okay, so we're going to run that through. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that's my card base. Then what we have is we have, let's see, now we got to make the teapot. So we're going to grab this, we're going to grab this. And you know what? I want to do this out of 2 colors. Ooh, let's do this. So we're going to grab 2 colors, lay that down, run that through. 2 colors. Yes, you can do 2 colors at one time as long as there's no folds involved. If there's a fold involved, then it's not good. And why I did that was because it cuts it into pieces. Look at this. Watch this, you guys. It cuts it all into pieces, and so I'm going to piece it together. So it cuts it all into pieces. So I want a pink cherry. Oh gosh, I don't have adhesive. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're going to add cherry, and we're going to lay this down. So there's ivory all the way around. There we go. And then we're going to add blue ocean to the top. Look how cute this is. And then we're going to add a blue spout, just like that. Look how cute this is. And we are going to add a blue handle. Paper piecing at its finest. Okay, so there we have that. And then we need to add, let's see, gosh, I'm halfway done right there. Oh, let's do this. So let's add the cute little flowers in the blue. So let's grab this, and do just those little flowers. Smaller die, smaller cutting pad, less rotations on the machine. Run that through. And we have these cute little flowers. So we're gonna add adhesive to these without making a mess, and let's do this. Okay. Clean that up a little bit, and we're gonna add adhesive oh, look how cute that is. So we're gonna add that. Whoops. Oh, where are you going? Okay, so we're gonna add those cute little, now we need a couple things. One, we need some decorations for, here. I keep a lot of my, loose embellishments in here. That just like flew. What color? Ooh, these are good. So I'm gonna add, oh gosh, now I'm gonna spend time doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna literally add these in every other one just to save on time. And there we go, right there. And oh, that looks weird. I gotta do it on all of them. Okay, hang on. Okay, so there and there. Now this is gonna fit in a standard envelope because it's A2 in size. Now we need something up, well, hang on, okay. Because I can't be finished yet because Ken will say I didn't do enough. Oh, I gotta sign the backs. Oh, here, ribbon. Ribbon up at the top. So we're gonna add some ribbon up at the top. And we're gonna just trim that right there. And we're gonna add some ribbon. Kenny, are you getting close? Getting close, getting close. So we're gonna tie the, you know what, I don't like that, forget that, we're not doing that. We're going to get a little, it's a created by Stampin'. The awesome part about it is it has a teapot on it. Because we have personalized stamps and it has a teapot there. And then one more really quick, I gotta do the inside. Oh, and I got ink all over me. Love you lots, that's perfect for my mom. Okay, we're gonna peel this up. Kenny, get ready because we're almost done. We're gonna lay that down. We're gonna ink this baby up, and this pad's a little dry. And oh gosh, is that the inside crud? Oh man, love you lots. I'm not done because it got an icky there. Hang on, get that out of my way. Hang on, I gotta add something else because that doesn't look good. Oh, I know, stop. Oh gosh, hang on, oh gosh, stop. Ivory. And we're gonna grab this because when you make a mistake, you gotta fix it. We're gonna find the heart. We're gonna lay that down. We're gonna run those through really quick. Two little hearts to fix a little mistake. Okay, Kenneth, get ready. Hang on. Oh gosh, I have black ink all over my hands. Okay, so one heart is gonna go right there because we messed up. And we're gonna open this one up and we messed up right there. So we're gonna get another heart, which would be better in pink, but oh well. And we're gonna do that. Stop. Did you stop? Okay. Okay, so what we got in my ink pad, this ink pad needs more ink. Ugh. Okay, somehow that one spilled. Okay, so here we go. Look how cute that is though. I decided not to do the ribbon up at the top just because I think it kind of looked a little funny. Now, first of all these extra pieces you're gonna put in the envelope with this teapot for the next time teapot dies. So the next time you die cut it, if you need those pieces, you already have them done. But look at that, look how cute that is. And we're gonna open it up and it says, love you lots. Isn't that cute? And my mom will never know I messed up right there because I put a heart over it. And she'll never know I messed up right there because I put a heart right there. And then we're gonna turn it over and it says created by, and I'm gonna sign my name. And the cool part is it has a teapot on it also. So I always do my initials, so I do SB. Okay, there you go. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you the time. Kenneth, what is the time? Ooh, I am good. Now, I don't have to round up, do I? Okay, are you ready? Wait, I forgot. Oh, okay. 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Not bad. If I wouldn't have messed up, it would have been even faster. But look at that. Isn't that fantastic, my cute little... Now, you could have used pattern paper to make that even more exciting, but look how fun that is. Easy peasy. Fold-its are so dang easy. So, thank you for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 4 minutes and 51 seconds. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. See 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. See 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby,